Good morning, everybody. Michael and Timber from Attention to Detail in Tempe. Just got done putting a ceramic on the neighbor's brand new 4Runner. So looks fantastic. But I wanted to talk to you about just doing a rinseless wash. How do you detail the car? How do you keep it nice where you don't have to break out the hose or anything? So we have an EcoSmart waterless wash from Chemical Guys. We have low tide, super concentrated rinseless wash from Superior Image, which is unbelievable. We have another waterless wash from Superior Image. Then we have the Griot's Garage, brilliant rinseless wash. Then there's also a brilliant foam on wax. So if you wanted to get your garden hose out and just do a quick rinse off, foam on, rinse off with a garden hose attachment, you can get those. But I'm going to show you, you get your regular nice soft microfiber, you have a little more premium, you have the edgeless. So what I do is I just get an old gallon measuring cup, and what I have is a brilliant finish. Either one of these work. I would prefer this one or the Griot's rinseless. This is concentrated as well. You can do it in a bucket, or you can do a spray on. Just add a couple ounces, add 1 ounce per gallon. So this is going to go a long way. I put it in here, put it in my spray bottle, and let me show you what we got going on here. So I got the car outside, but try to get a nice angle here where we can see some dirt. So if I'm going to do a rinseless wash, I'm just going to spray on liberally, get my microfiber here, fold it in fours, okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start on the edge here, and I'm just going to roll it, okay. So start and then just roll it off. Okay, you can roll it over the especially if you have a black car. Okay, so as you can see, super shiny, and it's going to attract all that dirt. Okay, then you just fold it over. That's how you're going to eliminate scratches if you want to do a quick rinseless wash detail. Your car's clean, you're going to take it out, you want it to look good, going on a date, get yourself some rinseless wash in a spray bottle, and then roll that soft microfiber to lift the dirt off. If you want to spray off the car, you sure can, but then you're just bringing out the hose or a pressure washer. Either one works, but this is just as quick, and it doesn't use a lot to go through the car. You can even use it on glass. Check this out. I mean, fantastic. Nice, crisp, clean finish to it. So, rinseless wash. There's many brands out there. Check them out. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button. Take care, everybody.